It's been a minute since we've done one of these, but this one was too good to pass up, especially given the name. We're going to take a gander at a repainting indicator called the Market Guru and see why it's called that, and definitely why you shouldn't be using it. We're not even sure that this is the true name of the indicator. If we zoom in on the left-hand side of the screen, you can see that it has another name in the code. We'll start by playing the day-to-day video of the indicator doing its thing, along with price action, pausing occasionally for commentary. Here we go. We'll pick it up here. We've got red histogram bars printing, so we know we're in a short trade condition. Let's run it out a bit and see what happens. We're speeding things up a bit for the impatient bunch. Okay, we've got our first point of commentary. Did you see how those last few periods just turned blue? Good thing we've got the ability to break things down. Let's get down to the tick level and see how this thing prints. Watch carefully. Did you see it? Let's watch it again in slow motion one more time. How about now? It happens pretty quick, so if you're not paying attention, you might miss it. Let's continue. And once again, did you see that bunch of red bars turn to blue all at once? Again, we've got a bunch of periods magically turning from red to blue to give you the illusion of a solid trend. We're going to let this run out for a few minutes. See if you can identify them mentally. We saw a few flashes between colors, but this last red to blue back to red was just a bit off the hook. Okay, that was just stupid. That whole mess of blue bars just turned red. I don't know about you, but I think I've seen just about enough of this indicator. It's just so bad. If you happen to have downloaded it, just delete it to prevent heartache and misery. You will not find this indicator in our library for obvious reasons. With so many other legitimate choices, why would we? And of course, this is not financial advice, just a friendly educational suggestion to keep you on the straight and narrow. Our only goal is to make you a better trader.